Kapoor Khan and Arjun Kapoor. वेलकम जी, स्वागत है आपका। आपका भी स्वागत है। मैं क्यों वो कर अर्जुन की है, करीना कहाँ है? ये क्या है? अच्छा,
2-3 घंटे पोज कर लीजिए, फिर हम उसके बाद करेंगे ना। हाँ, 2-3 घंटे उसी के लिए तो कीजिए।
Considering I'm the man in this relationship.
की का पंगा अभी से शुरू हो गया यार यहाँ तो। हाँ, स्ट्रिलिंग पुलिंग सेम थिंग, पता नहीं। Let me tell you, we have a तोड़-फोड़ surprise for you अभी, आप लोग के लिए खास तौर पे। But before that, Arjun, Kareena, ये जो की का पंगा सदियों से चला आया है, what do you have to say on this? ये is it the same thing, thrilling, pulling? What do you feel?
Well, we believe that it's the same thing.
Arjun?
जो मेरा हस्बैंड कहे मैं मान
हैं? जो मेरा
जो पतिदेव कहे मैं मान लेता हूं। मेरा माइक काम नहीं कर रहा। हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी? हाँ। यार, आप ट्रेलर देखोगे उसके बाद इन सब चीजों पे बात कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक ज्यादा बकबक करना अब आदत हो गया, हम बस आके बातें करते हैं। लेट फॉर अ चेंज आई फील हमारे पास कुछ ऐसा मटेरियल है जो अपने आप बात कर सकता है, तो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टू मच टाइम इन मेरा क्या ओपिनियन है, इनका क्या ओपिनियन है। लेट्स शो व्हाट द फिल्म।
सो we'll show you the trailer सबसे पहले, बट उससे पहले एक सवाल तो बनता है। करीना, अर्जुन, दही जमता है कि जमती है? करीना, जो भी होगा सेम होगा।
वो सवाल पे डिपेंड करता है। इस वक्त तो आप समझ सकते हो कि इसका जम रहा है। तो
दही जमता है कि जमती है?
क्या पता यार, मैं एक्टर हूँ, पैसे मिलते हैं काम करने के लिए, सीख जाता हूँ, करके आ जाता हूँ यार।
अरे यार, बोला था ऐसे करके देंगे, हद कर रखी है। नाक होती है कि होता है?
आपको पता है दही जमता है कि नहीं जमता है?
I don't know. You're the cook in the film, not me.
नाक होती है कि होता है?
ये होता है, औकात दिखा दी। 30 सेकंड लगे हमारे प्रमोशन के पहले। 30 सेकंड में इन्होंने औकात, तुम कुक हो पिक्चर के बस।
मैंने क्या किया जी? आप फिर से देखिए।
तुम नहीं, मैं। She has just called me a cook and that is what the film is about.
Yeah, but you're the housewife, na? You're wearing the apron and cooking.
यार
I'm
ये तो
working.
पंगा अभी से
अरे
शुरू कर।
एप्रन पहनने से थोड़ी ना फर्क पड़ता है।
अच्छा ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, इस बैंटर को यहाँ खत्म करते हैं। हमने पोस्टर देखा है, वी ऑल लव्ड इट। तो शुरुआत जो करेंगे ना, वो किस एंड मेकअप
Don't ask me to kiss Arjun.
किस एंड मेकअप से करने वाले। कैन वी हैव द स्टैंडी प्लीज? जल्दी से वो सेल्फी वाला लेके आओ, दौड़ के भाग के। मोशन पोस्टर आप सबने देखा होगा। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम यू गोना सी अ लाइव पोस्टर ओवर हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम विद की एंड का। क्या करूं इसके साथ?
As long as I don't have to kiss Arjun live, that's all.
ओके
Then तो definitely.
डायरेक्टर साहब, यू गोना डायरेक्ट देम?
क्या रेपुटेशन है भाई।
अच्छा ठीक है।
Are we supposed to create this? Then तो definitely divorce.
We're recreating the moment only for you, ladies and gentlemen. Ki and Ka for the first time live poster.
We can recreate Titanic for you in reverse. I can be
Baki
Rose.
sir, you are just after me to get divorced.
Sir,
That's
we'll
for
do
sure.
this. Why don't you get Gauri also here? You and Gauri recreate the poster. Other people should recreate the poster, no?
अच्छा, we'll do a दूर का one. Don't touch my lips.
We'll do handshake. We'll do handshake. Like I'm getting an award. पहली बार जिंदगी में award मिल रहा है. She's giving me.
Chicken, do it.
चलो पतौड़ी तो कभी इनवाइट नहीं होने वाला, ये तो कंफर्म है।
And now, ladies and gentlemen, after that wonderful moment यहाँ पे, let's take a look at the trailer of Ki and Ka. इसको लेके जाएंगे साथ में। Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां for the entire team. अर्जुन, करीना and of course
जमाई जाती है, जमी जाती है।
दही जमाया जाता है सर, भेजे का हो या फिर दूध का हो, नाक होती है। एंड अभी और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, we'll talk about that for sure. Yes, please have a seat. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Ki and Ka. क्या हो गया एकदम ट्रांस में चले गए वो देख के, आधों को यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा, ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? हाउस हस्बैंड खाना बनाएगा? And ladies and gentlemen, the captain of the ship, जिनके लिए इतना ही कहूंगा, बच्चा जब थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता है तो पता लगता है यार ये कुछ करेगा। ये वो है जो नामकरण से ये धमाल मचा देते हैं। मतलब फर्स्ट लुक आए ना आए, बच्चा हुआ नहीं और हाँ ये बच्चा कुछ करेगा, नाम से ही बवाल मचाते हैं। और बाल्की साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां प्लीज।
यार ऑटो की स्ट्राइक का बड़ा असर लगता है आप लोग पे पड़ा यार, कोई आवाज ही नहीं कर रहा।
एकदम ऐसे सन्न है वो।
या इतना अच्छा ट्रेलर या इतना खराब ट्रेलर, वो तो अब आपके सवाल जवाब से पता लगेगा, लेकिन सदमा लगा है। अब ऐसा भी नहीं कि बजट पास हुआ है कि आप लोग इतने शौक में हो, अभी है 15 दिन उसके लिए, वरना सर लेफ्ट राइट में आवाज निकल रही। बाकी चलिए ताली तो बजाइए। हाँ अब ठीक है,
अब जॉब जस्टिफाई करवा देते हैं। कोई नहीं, बाल्की साहब सबसे पहले बताएं की एंड का, ये दोनों की केमिस्ट्री मतलब देखने लायक, ये नहीं लगा कि यार ये थोड़ा अनयूजुअल सी पेयरिंग हो जाएगी, कुछ हो जाएगा? और खास तौर पे कहानी भी, पति को पत्नी बना दिया, पत्नी को पति।
पहले मैं जवाब देता हूँ। एक्चुअली ये टाइटल पता क्यों है? क्योंकि ये बाल्की है और ये करीना का का है। मैं सिर्फ एंड हूं बीच में, एक्चुअली की एंड का ये है और कुछ नहीं है। ये थॉट, ये जो फिलोसॉफिकल थॉट निकला ना, लड़की कुछ नहीं, बाल्की करीना, मैं बीच में एंड अटक गया हूं और कुछ भी नहीं।
बाल्की खाल, सॉरी बाल्की करीना। अभी जी बाल्की साहब बताएं थोड़ा इसके बारे में।
Actually, the real reason for doing this film is when I write, I'm very bad with my keys and cars. So I've always been cursed for not getting my keys and cars right. So I said, might as well make a virtue out of that. So you started that. So that was the no jokes apart. But I think the real thing is, I think this film is all about just saying that it doesn't matter what the gender is. It doesn't matter what what we normally associate with male and female. Everything is the same. So it's about people playing two different roles, the male playing the female role, the female playing the male role, and how the problems will still be the same. Okay. And it's got nothing to do with who plays what. Life is still the same. So it's all about that.
Wow, superb. Kareena, this one's for you. Please हमें बताइए कि अर्जुन के साथ फिल्मिंग के अलावा और कौन-कौन सी चीज पे बॉन्ड किया आपने? कपूर खानदान का चिराग, कपूर खानदान की ज्योति, हैं? ज्योति बनी ज्वाला हो जाएगा भी यहाँ।
Sir, you have ruined my career, sir. Sir, officially, he has just called me कपूर खानदान की ज्योति।
चिराग I called you.
But anyway, you're playing the woman.
हो गया ना, वो तो पिक्चर में है ना।
But I think that the whole idea is everybody's, I think, shocked because it's a very new concept. And of course, हम लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि कुछ अलग करना चाहिए, कुछ अलग करना चाहिए। जब कुछ अलग करते हैं तो सब चुप हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि then we start thinking कि नहीं ऐसे होना चाहिए था, वैसे होना चाहिए था. But I think that the fact that this is such a brave script, it's something so brave, and the fact that Arjun has done this role is, I think, the bravest decision that he could have taken. Because not many men have the confidence to wear an apron and to stand in that kitchen or to even tell their wife कि घर चलाना है, पैसे दे दो. So that is a very big thing.
Right. And सर दर्द वाला बहाना भी कभी नहीं किया होगा किसी
हाँ, नहीं, that तो I don't think.
किसी ने नहीं किया होगा. रजित कपूर साहब,
that तो हम भी नहीं करते हैं.
रजित सर ने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली अर्जुन यहाँ पे कि क्या मर्दानगी चेक करनी है, तो क्या हुआ फिर उसके बाद?
चड्डी चेक कर,
चेक करके आए हो ना? नहीं तो यू करो ना,
चेक करना चाहोगे चड्डी?
मेरा हो गया, देखा है आपने?
पिक्चर के हिसाब से वही होता है. When she says something very important, the problem is everybody in our country has this notion, to be a man you need to check what is there below.
Right.
I think to be a true man is to be able to take care of the person that you love in any capacity. It has nothing to do with whether you're bringing the money home. It's about being there as an understanding partner.
Or if you have a six-pack and if you have great biceps.
That notion of being a man is very, very stereotypical, which should be changed. And when he speaks about चड्डी चेक करके, she says exactly that कि मर्दों की प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमेशा पैंट चेक करनी पड़ती जानने को कि वो मर्द है या नहीं. It's the actions. It's not because you have something down there that makes you a man. It's what you do as a human being that makes you stand up and be counted for as a man.
हाँ यार, इतनी अच्छी बात कर गए यहाँ पे. मुझे ये बोलें, एक आखिरी सवाल, कभी ऐसा हुआ करीना काम से लौट के आई, यारी दोस्ती में एकदम मेरी ज्योति बाहर निकल, कुछ इस टाइप का किया इन्होंने?
चप्पल लाओ.
यार करीना के साथ काम करने का पता है क्या मजा है? इन्होंने जो अभी कहा कि शी फील्स दैट आई हैव मेड अ वेरी ब्रेव, फॉर मी इट वाज एन एक्साइटिंग चॉइस टू बी एबल टू डू समथिंग दैट इज सो ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट, लाइक शी सेड, कि जाके बोल सके हमने कुछ जेन्युइनली इस बार हटके और अलग और डिफरेंट वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज कर सकते हैं. व्हेन ही टोल्ड मी ही वांट्स टू टेक हर, आई जस्ट फेल्ट this excitement as an actor because I knew she's going to come with the intention to do right for the film. She's not selfish as an actor, she's not selfish as a performer, and she was very, very patient with me. It's not an easy role, and I have this thing where Balki sir is concerned, I try to understand and analyze everything and have these conversations, and he hears me out and then says, okay, now do exactly what I told you. So she had to bear with my entire process of trying to be this actor and have conversation. She was very, very patient. She could have been that actor saying, yaar, chalo, yaar, karo, karo, karo. She really allowed me to have fun with her without worrying about how much she has done before this, what baggage she carries of being a star. She never ever, any day on set, allowed me and
That's
him
because
to...
I love you, Arjun, yeah? And also because you're a good kisser.
No, but what is really wonderful about the two of them is while he's playing the woman of the house and she's playing the man of the house, there's not one bit of masculinity, what you associate with masculinity in her or femininity in her, femininity in her, in him.
Because
I just think, you know, but that's, I think the film is all about, if you do things that are normally associated with women, you don't become a woman. If you do something that is associated with a man, you don't become a man. You can still be very feminine, very masculine, and easily interchange roles, and the world will be a better place. That's what the film is about.
And that's just amazing. We all loved the trailer. ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ सबके बाप पे. बाकी it's over to you. आप लोग के जो भी शक, सवाल, क्या कहते हैं, शुबे हैं, वो सब दूर कर लीजिए. हो जाए.
हम बैठ.
Please have a seat. जी. Please.
Hi.
पहले उन्हें बैठने दें अर्जुन. मर्द पहले बैठे. मतलब ऐसा
तुम कहाँ पे पैदा होके आए हो?
Hi Kareena. This is RJ Alok from OFM and Aaj Tak.
अरे वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे.
It was just, thank you. मेरा सवाल है, जब ये स्क्रिप्ट आपको सुनाई गई तो आपने घर पे भी चर्चा की, और घर पे चर्चा करने के बाद सैफ साहब का क्या था कहना इस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट के लिए?
एक्चुअली हम लोग ने पहले कभी स्क्रिप्ट डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन बाल्की सर मैसेज्ड मी, आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई रिस्पेक्ट हिम एज अ फिल्म मेकर, एंड I just told Saif that I'm going to meet Balki, and he's going to narrate me his script. And I think the conversation ended there till last night. Till last night उन्होंने promo देखा because Balki sir sent the promo home, and I wanted Saif to see it before anyone else does. And I think I've never seen the reaction. He's like, I think it's one of the best promos I've seen, and he was like, I'm so proud that you've actually said yes to now this is what all of us actors say कि ये अलग फिल्म है, कुछ हटके है इस फिल्म में, कुछ अलग है. He's saying this is actually what is different. So I think his reaction was amazing, in spite, and he had not heard heard the script, nothing. I hadn't told him anything, but he definitely knew through the making of the film that I was very, very excited. So he knows that when I'm excited, when an actor is excited, there's going to be something special out there.
And कुछ वो भी पका पाते हैं किचन में, कुछ अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें exactly.
Abhi to now Arjun has to give Saif tips because Saif is not a very great cook. But Arjun has mastered the art. Master chef तो पक्का है आपका anchoring इसके बाद.
मैं पहले खिलाड़ी बन जाऊँ.
नहीं उसके बाद.
हाँ तो बेसिकली करीना कह रही है कि मैं टीवी की तरफ और ज़्यादा आने वाला हूँ. I like it. नहीं, I would like to add to what she just said. I got one of the most warm and amazing messages from a fellow actor that I look up to, and that is Saif yesterday. He's not somebody who's very vocal about it unless he genuinely feels it. He was very happy when Ishaqzadeh released, and he had messaged me that time. And yesterday night, he sent me a message because obviously he knew how much fun we had doing the film, but he reacted genuinely as an audience, and he felt really, really proud that both of us had done the film. So it meant a lot to me coming from, I think this genre is something that he has done so well over the course of these years. And it just meant a lot coming from him. And if an actor like that gives you that respect, you do feel you're heading in the right direction. So it was very important to get that vote of confidence from Saif as well.
Odd things work, but sweet and sour. Something different. That the typical pairing never really works, but something odd is, there's something about it. Very organic.
Arjun, slightly right towards you. Arjun here, slightly right. First of all, congratulations for the trailer. बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रेलर है, amazing.
हाँ जी सर, हाँ.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आगे जाके जब आप सेटल हो जाएंगे तो आप जैसे ऑन स्क्रीन हमने देखा है, आप वैसे ही अपने वाइफ को सपोर्ट करेंगे या कुछ और क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो आप सीखे हैं इस फिल्म के दौरान?
यार पहली बात तो मुझे खाना बनाना थोड़ा बहुत ही अभी आता है, क्योंकि फिल्म के लिए मैंने 12-15 दिन मेहनत की थी किचन में पहली बार घुसने की. इसके पहले आई टुक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड बिकॉज आई हैव ग्रोन अप इन द लैप ऑफ लग्जरी. जेन्युइनली आई से दैट आई हैव हैड पीपल टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी एंड केटरिंग टू माय नीड्स फॉर दीज इयर्स. And I never quite understood how much effort it takes to be able to be this selfless that housewives are. The concept exists in front of all of us. We see it every day and it is taken for granted. The film deals with something very important where because we take it for granted somewhere, सब कहते हैं ना, अरे तुम तो बस घर पे बैठी रहती हो. वो घर पे बैठती नहीं है, वो घर बनाती है. She sacrifices, she lets go of a lot of her own needs and desires and ambitions so she can fulfill and nurture y'all. And me included. So when I heard the film, for me the most important part was I would like a lot of men to see this film and just go and give their wife a hug at the end of the day and make them realize that, yeah, we value you. I think any human being eventually wants to feel valued and loved. That's pretty much the basic part of it. It doesn't matter whether I can cook or not. If I can, as a partner, provide that support to her and respect her for, if she chooses to be a housewife, amazing. If she chooses to go out and work, I'll be happy. Eventually, I believe it is your personal choice. No man or no woman should dictate to another person what he or she is capable and should do. So for me, at a personal level, it's a very layered thing. Maybe I come from a certain mindset. That's why I was dying to do this film, because I feel it's a conversation starter. It's not an opinion. It's not कि आपको यही करना चाहिए, ऐसे ही सोचना चाहिए. It's just we need to think about these things. These things matter today. आपको हुनर और काबिलियत पे काम मिलना चाहिए, ना कि क्योंकि आप एक मर्द या औरत हो. So in my personal relationship, I would just respect and love her and be supportive in whatever choice she makes, and hopefully make breakfast for her. Yeah.
मेरा सवाल है करीना कपूर से, जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन. इस तरीके के रोल लाइफ में बहुत कम मिलते हुए आपने इसको बखूबी निभाया. तो शूटिंग से पहले आपने क्या क्या तैयारी की थी?
Well, I think that मैंने हमेशा कहा है that I'm a director's actor. I work best with amazing directors, and I work really badly with some bad directors. And that's what an actor is. So I think that I must share this with Balki sir, because I think he was quite sure what he wanted. And somehow the chemistry between us just worked. And, there's this, this character has come to life. And that's the way I think I am, because I think I'm an instinctive person and an instinctive actor. I don't come with any preconceived notions on the set. No form of preparation. So I like to be steered in the right direction. So my director has to take me, down that road. He has to hold my hand, because I'm still a baby.
Okay, let me just correct that. Complete rubbish. She's a fabulous actor. She doesn't need a director. She's possibly the finest actor this industry has produced. And she knows it all, instinctive. She doesn't do the usual kind of preparation. But she understands the script better than anybody else. She knows every nuance that there is. All that I have to tell her is a nod. Yes, she just looks for the nod because she's already done it. The only thing I was doing right through the film is like this. So she's absolutely an amazing actress. And I mean, all great actresses, all great actors always say that, I'm a director's actor, which means I'm damn good. I don't need a director.
No, sir. But she did listen to you way more than I used to. Still have counter discussions. She was very. She was disciplined about listening.
No, that's because she's been brought up right. She's polite.
अच्छा तो मेरे परवरिश में गलती.
It's wonderful.
No,
I would love to know what my dad has to say about this.
You're a woman in the movie.
I'm actually an auntie.
I'm like aunties are very argumentative.
हाँ, कि मैं चिक करता था रोज.
Women love to argue, so that's why you would.
Balki, you just explained how Ki and Ka was conceptualized. Other than that, what other reference points were there? Were you also subjected to the same thing?
No, actually, Gauri accuses me of writing things that I never practice in life. So she says, why don't you at least practice 10% of what you preach? I said, if I did practice, why would I preach it? Because the fun is in doing films that you don't, which is not part of your life. I mean, the fun is, for me, is never about recreating some parts of my life or somebody else's life. It's all about just saying, wish life was like this, wish life was like that. It's never about how life is.
Karina, congratulations. You break the norms of Bollywood. You're working with a younger actor. Usually all these, you're still young. Don't take it otherwise.
Very good.
I'm very proud of my age. I'm not hiding it.
Comment on this. You're breaking the norms.
I don't look at it as breaking any norms. I think I'm an actor. Acting is in my blood. I work with Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. I work with Arjun. I work with everyone. I work with whoever I'm comfortable with according to, my comfort level. I mean, I'm not trying to break any norm and say that, I'm so in this and I'm working with a younger. He's an actor.
But I want to just do the key car thing on that. You'd never ask that question of Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. Why would you ask it of her?
Hi, Kareena and Arjun. Shilpa from India Today. This is a film that has feminism at the forefront. What do you think about Indian society in general? Do you think we're still a patriarchal society? And do you think your movie will bring about some change?
Yeah, I always say this. I think we always have this expectation that films are supposed to bring a change. Films are just a reflection of what's happening in reality. At the end of the day, there's a gross misconception that cinema is supposed to bring about a revolution and change society. We represent what is actually happening. हम दिखाने का तरीका ढूंढते हैं जो सबसे सही हो, जो सबसे simply समझ पाए हर इंसान इस देश का, और जो हमारे देश में नहीं होते. I think it's more important to have an awareness and have a conversation about it. If out of our film's trailer coming out, see, these conversations are all had in office corners, in houses, in coffee shops, they're all discussed in very hush-hush tones. Why do we need to have it in a hush-hush tone? Why is it such a taboo? I've met so many women who are so good at what they do. And I've met a lot of men who are not, they don't have an issue with accepting the fact that they're not maybe as ambitious as the expectation of society is, or the onus upon them is. So why can't they be comfortable being who they are? Why should anybody look down upon their choice? In the film, there's a very important line that Balki sir had written. It's, ये जिंदगी हम दोनों ने चुनी है. अगर हमें परेशानी नहीं है, तो आप कौन होते हो कि आप कह सको कि ये सही या गलत है? It's about being tolerant towards all kinds of people and all kinds of choices people make. I think that's the only broader discussion to have, is that we should just have an open-mindedness, that's all.
And Kareena, in your personal life, do you wear the pants in the relationship?
What do you think? I think Saif looks amazing in jeans. And so do I. So we're pretty much equal. And I'm really happy to be married and working at the same time. And I think that answers it all, And he's working as well, so.
Yeah, so I think let's put it this way. This film might have an extreme take of something that potentially people might hope like a fairy tale. But even if we reach a midpoint with it, like what they have in their relationship, and we can influence people to think more in that direction, I think our job is very, very well done then, I would say. It's just about having that thought being encouraged that everything is possible. You don't have to have these boundaries for male or female.